Welcome to Dan Graphics Academy. My name is Darlington and I am popularly known as Mazdi. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix your Bluetooth. If you want to send something and your Bluetooth is no longer working or you don't know where to find your Bluetooth, this is what you are going to do. Go to the Start button, click and type blue, that is Bluetooth. When you type on Bluetooth, look for this, find and fix problems with Bluetooth device. That is the one you are going to click. Now the next thing is to click on the next button. Your computer is detecting for the problem. Once it sees the problem, it is going to solve it. Meanwhile, like my video, subscribe, share to someone who needs it, because in this channel I'll be dropping things relating to computer, more especially on graphic design using CorelDRAW. Okay, it has detected the problem and it is solving it. It says resolving problems. Your Bluetooth is fixed. As simple as ABC, but if unfortunately you do not get a positive result, it simply means that you do not have Bluetooth installed in your system. Although computers nowadays come with already installed Bluetooth, why some do not? So if your own do not have Bluetooth, either you install Bluetooth or you go and buy external Bluetooth. You can browse for just go to your Google and type external Bluetooth. You will see different designs. You buy any one you want, plug it and start using. Then some of us have a Bluetooth, but the Bluetooth has to be driven with another software for it to start working. Okay, this is it. Can now close my if you go to your taskbar, you will see your Bluetooth. Look at it here. If you don't see it, just like you are seeing other softwares on the taskbar, you click on the hidden arrow, it will show the Bluetooth. Now the next thing I'm going to show you in this class is how are you going to send something. If you know how to send, good and fine. If you know how to receive, good and fine. But for those that don't know how to send and receive, or connect it to your Bluetooth, maybe that's connect it to your AirPod, this is what you're going to do. Click on it, click on receive file, then go to the device you are sending from. Let's say I want to send something from my phone. I will simply locate the whatever thing I want to send, hold it and share. The normal way you send something through Xender, TikTok, and how you share something, just select the stuff, send through Bluetooth. Now your phone or whatever device you are using will detect your computer's Bluetooth. You will see something like desktop on my computer, or you see PC, or you see laptop. You select it. Now your computer will receive it just like this one is receiving the stuff. But mind you, whenever you are sending something through Bluetooth, do not send something that has a very big size. Because if you are sending a 1 gig of 500, even 50 MB self used to take time. So if you are going to send something that has a very much big space, better use your USB cord and send. You only use Bluetooth for something that are very small like this. This one I send is just 1.14 MB. Same thing when you are sending from your system to another device. Send something that is very less in size. Okay, now some of us, when we send something through Bluetooth, we start looking for where it is. If you don't want to stress yourself, searching for where is the file, simply go to browse, or you just check, like my own now, there's a folder I created inside my document, and the name of the folder, I wrote it Bluetooth, so that whenever I go to that folder, I know that what I will see in there are the things I sent through Bluetooth. Or if you want to change the location of your own, click on browse, select where you want it to be so that it will be easy for you to locate. Let me say, for example, I want it to be inside downloads. I will go to library. There you will see documents, music, blah, blah, blah. Okay, what I send is picture. I can say let it be inside picture. But I will suggest for you to create a folder, choose that place so that whenever you send something, you know that that is the place it's going, whether it's music, video, picture, whatever thing it is, just go there and pick it. But this is how you do it. Let's choose a picture, for example. Click OK. Now you see that the location has changed from document Bluetooth to another thing. You click on finish. If you don't click on finish, your file will just disappear. You'll not see it. Click on finish. It will now save it. If you want to find it now, simply locate, go to this internal storage, or just go straight to that place if you know. I says picture, look at the file here. This is the file. Now the same thing goes to when you want to send something. Before I used to use this process, but this one is confusing. To avoid confusing yourself using send a file, just go straight to that anything you want to send. Right click on it. Let me use this for example. Right click, go to send to, and select Bluetooth device. This is the easiest way. Locate the file you want to send. Go to send to, right click on it, go to send to, select Bluetooth device. Now, list of the nearby Bluetooth or the Bluetooth you have paired with your computer will now show here. Select the one you want and make sure that the Bluetooth of whatever device you are sending to is active. I will select, double click, or you select and click on the next button. Go to that your device and receive it. That's very easy. You now click on finish. So that is how you send, receive your file. Then how about connecting your earpod? Maybe you want to play music, you want to watch video with your system, you don't want, or maybe your system speaker is faulty, you have the earpod I want to connect. On the earpod, or that your music speaker, go to Bluetooth. You now click on show Bluetooth or add Bluetooth. If you have not added before, you click on add. Well, whether you want to add, you want to show all of them are inside there. Click on show Bluetooth. Now here you are going to see the list of paired Bluetooth. Look at the one I'm using. Let me disconnect it. Let me remove it and show you how to add. Yes. And sometimes if you connect your Bluetooth to your AirPod or any device and you want to use it but it's not connecting, the reason is this: it has been long that you connected it. So what you have to do is to remove it, just like I removed this my AirPod now. Go scroll up and go to add Bluetooth or other device. Click on this one, Bluetooth. Now, any Bluetooth that is on within your environment will be listed here. Your system will see them. This is my AirPod. Select it. You even hear it connected. If it's your music speaker, you will hear connected. It will connect automatically. You now click on done. You can now open your music player and start playing your music, watch video, and the rest of them. So if you like this video, do the needful. Like, subscribe, share, Like I always say, this YouTube channel is focused on how to make designs using CorelDRAW. So if you're interested in graphics, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'll be breaking everything one after the other to make sure you understand. And comment if you, in fact, engage to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.